Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is page layout. Page layout defines how we are representing data to users. It will specify controllers how an object should be displayed in the profile. By default, for every object, one default page layout is created by Salesforce. Page layout controls which field should be displayed on the UI user interface, in which order they should be displayed, in which format they should be displayed, which button should be displayed, what related list should be displayed. Steps to create page layout. Setup Object Manager, choose Object, Page Layouts, New. Step 1. Select existing page layout name. Step 2. Provide page layout name. Step 3. Click Save. So let's see an example. Create page layout for candidate object. Name candidate page layout new and assign to system administrator new profile. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So just click on Object Manager, choose the object, click on that particular. So in the candidates detail, just click on page layouts. So this candidate page layout is created by Salesforce at the time of object creation by Salesforce. So all if we need to create our custom page layout, we can create by clicking on new button. As an option, you may select an existing layout to clone. If you create a page layout without cloning, your page layout will not include the standard sections whose names are translated for your international users. So I am selecting the existing page layout, candidate layout, and here I am providing the page layout name, candidate page layout new. Hit the save button. So now our new page layout has been created. So on this page we are seeing some of the fields. We are seeing the fields name, phone, email and address. And for the existing page layout, this is the visibility what we are seeing in the system administrator profile. But make a difference between this system administrator profile and the new layout what we are going to assign with system administrator new profile what we had created for user A account. So making the difference between the layout, I am putting this all the fields at left side only. So just hit the save button. Now we have two page layouts. One is candidate page layout that is created by default Salesforce at the time of object creation, and candidate page layout new is created by us as per our business need. Also we need to assign this custom page layout to one of our profile. So the table below shows the page layout assignment for different profiles. So at the left hand side we are seeing all the profiles, and on the right hand side there is a default page layout, candidate layout is there. So just click on edit assignment. I am going with system administrator new profile what we had created in our previous session. So for this profile also candidate layout is visible, but I don't want to see this candidate layout for this profile. Just click on this page layout to see, choose candidate page layout new. See it's changed, and hit the save button. Now the users who are using system administrator new profile, they will see this page layout. So to verify how it's going to look, first we are going to see the previous page layout, candidate layout. So for that just I am going to click on app launcher and just open employee management system app. Click on candidates object. So we have a record, see ID, candidate ID 0003. Click on this. So this is the candidate layout we are seeing. To verify uh, how the page layout looks like, just click on setup. Expand users under administration. Click users. So I am going to log in with this user A account, user A at network.com. Here profile, this user A is using system administrator new profile what we had assigned right now. Just log in with this username with any new browser. So I am going to log in with this username and password in his browser. So this is user A. We can verify by clicking on view profile. So let's click on candidate, click all. So here also we are seeing candidate ID 0003. So see here our page layout is designed like this only. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.